Mixing protein sources is a strategy that offers both nutritional completeness and variety, ensuring the body receives all essential amino acids while also optimizing other nutrients that each source provides. Many people think of protein as a single nutrient that can be measured in grams, but the quality, digestibility, and amino acid profile of protein vary widely across foods. Animal proteins such as eggs, chicken, dairy, and fish typically provide complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids in optimal proportions. Plant proteins, found in beans, lentils, grains, nuts, seeds, and soy, may lack one or more essential amino acids in sufficient quantities when eaten alone, but when combined thoughtfully with other complementary foods, they create a complete amino acid profile equivalent to animal proteins. By mixing plant and animal proteins, or different plant-based proteins, it becomes possible to meet protein needs while diversifying nutrient intake, improving fiber consumption, and reducing the risk of overloading any single food source. A key advantage of mixing protein sources is that it allows for nutrient synergy. For example, pairing eggs with quinoa for breakfast provides high-quality protein while adding fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants from the grain, enhancing digestion and energy release. Lunch could feature chicken with a side of black beans and roasted vegetables, creating a meal that combines complete protein with fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for cardiovascular, digestive, and metabolic health. Snacks can also leverage this principle. Greek yogurt with hemp seeds offers both animal and plant-based protein, while supplying healthy fats, probiotics, and fiber, promoting satiety and digestive balance. Even vegetarian or vegan diets can benefit from this approach. Combining lentils with rice or chickpeas with quinoa ensures that all essential amino acids are present, supporting muscle maintenance, metabolic function, and long-term wellness. It is important to include a caution regarding over-reliance on a single protein source. Consuming large quantities of animal protein alone, while neglecting plant-based foods, can result in insufficient fiber, micronutrients, and phytonutrients, potentially leading to digestive issues, higher cholesterol, and reduced antioxidant intake. Conversely, relying solely on plant proteins without thoughtful pairing may leave certain essential amino acids underrepresented, which over time could affect muscle maintenance, recovery, and overall protein utilization. Hydration and portion balance are also critical. Fiber-rich plant proteins require adequate water intake to avoid bloating or constipation, while excessive animal protein intake, without balancing calories and micronutrients, can strain metabolic processes. The warning is clear: diversity matters as much as quantity. Practical implementation emphasizes variety, balance, and strategic pairing. Breakfast might include a scramble of eggs with sautéed vegetables served over a bed of quinoa, combining complete animal protein with a fiber-rich plant source. Lunch could feature grilled chicken over a bed of mixed greens with black beans, corn, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, blending protein from animal and plant sources while adding fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Dinner could include a lentil and rice pilaf with roasted vegetables, offering plant-based protein that is nutritionally complete and easy to digest when paired with grains. Snacks such as Greek yogurt with hemp seeds, nut butter on whole grain toast, or edamame with cherry tomatoes provide additional opportunities to combine proteins and enhance overall nutrient density throughout the day. Rotating these combinations ensures that meals remain satisfying, flavorful, and nutritionally diverse, reducing monotony while supporting long-term adherence to balanced eating. The benefits of mixing protein sources extend beyond amino acid completeness. By integrating plant proteins, fiber intake increases, supporting gut health, stable blood sugar, and satiety. Plant-based sources also contribute antioxidants, polyphenol, and micronutrients like magnesium, potassium, and folate that are often less abundant in animal proteins. Animal proteins, in turn, provide highly digestible, complete protein along with vitamins such as B12, zinc, and heme iron, which are critical for energy metabolism, immune function, and red blood cell formation. This complementary approach ensures that both macro and micronutrient needs are met, supporting muscle maintenance, recovery, cognitive function, and metabolic efficiency. Another advantage of mixing proteins is flexibility and sustainability. Meals can be tailored to individual preferences, dietary restrictions, and lifestyle requirements. Plant-forward combinations allow for more environmentally sustainable protein consumption, while moderate inclusion of animal protein ensures amino acid adequacy without excess saturated fat. Preparing protein combinations in bulk, for example, cooking lentils and rice, roasting chicken and vegetables, or portioning Greek yogurt with seeds, makes it easier to maintain consistent intake throughout the week without feeling restricted. This strategic planning enhances convenience while ensuring nutrient variety and adherence to dietary goals. A critical warning is to avoid extreme practices such as consuming excessive protein in isolation or assuming that plant proteins do not require careful planning. Both extremes can undermine health. Too much protein from one source may burden kidneys, reduce fiber intake, or increase saturated fat, while insufficient amino acid diversity can compromise muscle repair and metabolic function. The positive reality is that by thoughtfully mixing protein sources, the risk of deficiency or imbalance is minimized, and the diet becomes more satisfying, nutrient-dense, and supportive of long-term health. In summary, mixing protein sources is a practical and effective strategy to maximize nutritional benefit, ensure complete amino acid intake, and enhance overall diet quality. The warning is that relying on a single protein source or neglecting complementary foods can limit health benefits, reduce digestive support, and compromise nutrient balance. The positive reality is that combining animal and plant proteins, such as eggs with quinoa, chicken with beans, Greek yogurt with hemp seeds, or lentils with rice, provides complete protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Strategic meal planning that incorporates these combinations throughout breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks ensures sustained energy, optimal muscle maintenance, metabolic support, and overall vitality. By embracing diversity, portion balance, and thoughtful pairing, meals become not only nutritionally complete, but also flavorful, satisfying, and adaptable, turning protein consumption into a cornerstone of long-term health rather than a restrictive or repetitive task.